Hey y'all, so it is December 8th and that means we finally get to open this suspiciously round door on our Arteza 12-day calendar. And stay tuned, I've got some drama about the Arteza 24-day calendar coming for you guys. Hey guys, happy December 8th, and it's still me, still sitting on the floor of my house with my still unfurnished shelves. Happy holidays! So I'm going to start with the thing you're actually here for, day 8 on the 12-day Arteza calendar, and then we'll talk about the Arteza 24-day calendar. So it has been extremely acrylic heavy. In fact, I think there isn't anything other than this brush and this acrylic marker that could really be used for much else other than acrylics. Maybe the tiny pad of acrylic paper. We received 4 tubes of acrylic, 2 of them regular, 2 of them metallic, and we have now received, I believe, 6 challenges. So we are on to day 8 now. I always try to be careful with this, and I always goof it up. Because you don't want to actually just rip the days off because the days have the challenges. So what do you guys see in there? That looks like a wood cookie to me. Did we receive 1 or did we receive multiple? It look oh, we actually received, I know these things are cheap. Oh my goodness! We actually received 3 of these. They still don't seem to know how to use these ribbons when packing these. We received 3 wood slices to paint, and I know that's kind of a new thing with Arteza, but at least it's something different. And day 8 says 3 small wood slices. 'Tis the season to reminisce on holiday memories. Use the 3 small wood slices we supplied to depict what holiday past, present, and future look like for you. You can work with paints, pens, and markers on your versatile wood slices. Hashtag Arteza Holidays. Arteza, I'm gonna stop you right there. I'm not gonna do that because holiday past, I have set my mom's hair on fire at a Christmas, not mass, but like a Christmas service, holding a candle entirely by accident. That's what Christmases for me historically look like: catastrophic or really depressing. So I'm not really interested in that. I'm probably just gonna do some cute Christmas scene on these, but that's, my choice. You could totally choose to depict what your holidays look like for you, past, present, and future, if you wish, on these very small, not evenly sized wooden slices. Or maybe you could do maybe we could get really smart and just do like symbols. So a flame for the year I set my mom's hair on fire, an empty house for the fact that we're still living in boxes, and then Christmas future could be a fully decked out Christmas tree, the hopes that I will eventually finish decorating my tree here. So the wood, did I not tell you guys it was gonna be wood slices? We knew it was gonna be wood slices. Not that there's necessarily anything wrong with those, just come on, it's a round door and they just introduced wood slices. We're on to them. Okay, so here is the tea on the 24-day advent calendar. I ordered it in October. I paid full price. I paid $64.99 and it went out of stock on the site. You could not find it, so I couldn't even link it for you guys. I've been back and forth with customer service. Initially, they reached out to me asking if I wanted to cancel the order because it was going to take a while. I reached back out to them saying as long as it comes before December, it doesn't matter. They got back to me and said, oh, sure it would. Lo and behold, late November, no advent calendar. I'm starting to be like about this. So I reached back out to them and asked, hey, what gives? And they're like, due to global supply chain issues, we don't know where it is. And no offer of refund at that point, nothing. So I'm kind of like, all right. So last night, late at night, for some reason, I'm on the Arteza website. I don't even know. I'm in their new arrivals section, and what do I see? I see their 24-day advent calendar, the same one, the same cover, being sold for $31 something. I reach out to them. I'm like, hey, is this the same calendar? Where is my calendar? I haven't gotten a response yet, but I did email them last night, but they're usually really quick about that. So this is what I did, and this is on Joseph's advice. I went ahead and I ordered the 31-day calendar, and I'm going to try to cancel the still hasn't arrived, who knows where it is, 64-day calendar, because they are, from what I can tell, the same calendar, except mine is now missing and unfulfilled, and they're now charging half the price. The order went through. I've got confirmation numbers for both of them. I've got screen caps of the checkout process for the newer one. So if that one still fails to arrive, I don't know. This is the, not that I've had the best experiences with Arteza products, but this is the only time I've had bad experiences with Arteza's help and support. And it's kind of frustrating because, as I mentioned in some of the other 12-day videos, this advent calendar is something that is designed to be given as a gift. It's an advent calendar, and quite frankly, it is a 24-day advent calendar. You open one each day up till Christmas Eve. So it not arriving in time, it being listed late, like that ruins, or that really negatively impacts it as a gift, its function as a gift. And they're not super great customer support after I'd already been like, yeah, I'll wait for it, isn't really inspiring either. So, and I ordered the first one in October, the day it was released, and I ordered this second one, what was it, technically December 8th, pretty much the day it released. So I'm trying to give them as much leeway and as much benefit of the doubt as I can, and they're just not really working with me here. So far, having not heard back from them yet and having not yet had a chance to make sure it's the same calendar and then cancel the new one, I have spent $90 on 2 of the same 24-day advent calendars. So let's see if I receive either of them this year. I mean, quite frankly, at that rate, because I ordered this one the same day I ordered the other one, why do I have this one and I don't have the other one? It is a mystery. Arteza, please fix your stuff. I mean, I feel like I point this out a lot in my Arteza reviews. There's always like loose threads that are just super easy for me to pick apart as an art supply reviewer. But thank you guys for joining me for day 8 of our Arteza Art Supply Advent Calendar. I hope you guys have been enjoying this. I've been enjoying this, even as someone who's not super into acrylics. This is fun, and we don't have a lot of options for art supply advent calendars, so this is Arteza is it. This is it. This is it. Come on, Windsor and Newton. Come on, Art Snacks. Come on, Jerry's Artarama. This is it. There's a window there for you. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 9. Leave your guesses down in the comments below what you think is inside day 9, because I think it looks suspiciously like some of our other doors. It looks so much like some of our other doors, but it could be a tube of watercolor. It could be a tube of gouache. It could be a tube of glue. I don't know. We'll find out together tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you then. Bye, guys.